Spick and span is an idiom in the English language used to describe something that is extremely clean, neat, orderly, and in a pristine condition. This phrase is often employed to emphasize the thoroughness and meticulousness of a cleaning or organizing effort. It implies that all dirt, dust, clutter, or disorder has been completely eradicated, leaving the object or space looking immaculate and well maintained. The origins of the expression spick and span can be traced back to Old English, where spick referred to a spike or nail and span meant a wooden shaving or chip. Originally, the phrase spick and span new was used to describe something brand new or freshly constructed, emphasizing its pristine condition. Over time, the phrase evolved into spick and span, with spick falling out of use, but the meaning remains centered on cleanliness and tidiness. Spick and span can be applied to a wide range of contexts, from describing a meticulously cleaned room or a freshly laundered outfit to characterizing a well-organized and clutter-free workspace. When used to describe a person, it suggests that they are impeccably groomed and dressed. For example, if someone thoroughly cleans their kitchen, ensuring every surface is spotless, dishes are put away, and there is no trace of dirt or grime, you might say that their kitchen is spick and span. Similarly, if a car has been meticulously washed and detailed, inside and out, it can be described as spick and span. In the workplace, having a spick and span desk or office implies a high level of organization, with no clutter or disarray. It suggests that everything is in its proper place, files are neatly arranged, and there is a clear sense of order. In naval and maritime contexts, spick and span originally referred to a ship's cleanliness and readiness for inspection. A spick and span ship was one that had been thoroughly cleaned and maintained, both inside and out, to meet the exacting standards of naval inspections. The appeal of the phrase spick and span lies in its ability to convey a sense of freshness and meticulousness. It suggests that care and attention have been dedicated to ensuring that something is in its best possible condition. It is a phrase that evokes the satisfaction of having a clean and orderly environment, free of mess and chaos. In conclusion, spick and span is an idiom used to describe something that is exceptionally clean, tidy, and well organized. It emphasizes the thoroughness and precision of a cleaning or organizing effort, and is often associated with the satisfaction of maintaining a pristine condition. Whether applied to a room, a car, an outfit, or a workspace, this phrase conveys the idea of immaculate cleanliness and meticulous attention to detail.